How's it going, everybody? My name is Miyuka. I am the co-owner of Icarus, and today I'll be presenting a few new commands that we just recently added. The few being our anime search commands, our reaction roll commands, and then our coin flip command. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So I came up with the idea to do an anime search command because I've noticed with Discord that a lot of users tend to have anime profiles, or bots tend to also be based off of an anime character. So I figured that to appeal to the audience of Icarus and possibly other Discord members, that we would make an anime search command. The anime search command uses my anime list to present all the data, so any anime, manga, or character you search for will be from my anime list. The command itself is just anime, manga, character, and after each one you can also do search if you want to do a list of characters, just in case you aren't able to find it. You get a bigger range of characters to select from. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I'm going to present is anime, and we're going to do Elfen Lied because it's my favorite anime. So boom, just give it a moment here to post, as I use the wrong prefix as I tend to always do. Boom, give it a moment here to get going, and there we go. As you can see, we are presenting a few things of data here, such as the name, which you can click on the name to pull up the website. As you can see, my anime list is redirecting me to it. Give it a moment here to load. Internet right now is rather laggy. It looks like it's taking a year to load. Oh, my anime list might be lagging actually, which is why it took a second to get the info. But yep, Elfen Lied right there. We also present the type, so TV, movie, etc., score, rating, episodes, genres, and then of course the description. It's not going to always be the full description due to Discord limitations on how long embeds can show data, but we will present as much as we can, of course. Next off, we're gonna do manga. So same thing, manga. Well, no, I want to do anime search now, just so you can see how that works. So if I do anime search, but then let's say I want to do Naruto, because there's like a billion Narutos, right? Let's give it a moment here to collect the data, and we should see a huge list of Naruto right there. And basically emojis will start popping up. I'm gonna let it do that for a moment. And you basically select which one out of the list that you would like to show. I'm just going to do the first one, so number 1. And as you can see, Naruto does indeed get pulled, which is dope. Second command I'm going to be showing off is manga. Similar to anime, manga, just do an anime. So I'm going to do canon, which is another great anime I watched. And I completely misspelled manga because I am bad. Canon. Alrighty, and as you can see, this anime called Canon pops up, or manga if you will. It's not the actual canon anime I was trying to pull, which it may be different in the manga, but same situation. If I wasn't able to find the one that I was trying to pull, I can just do manga search instead, and then just do canon and see what happens there. Okay, and as you can see, there's actually quite a few canon in the list. So in the case of, like, I don't know which one it is, I can kind of open each one to see. I know which anime I want, which is the one made by Clannad and all that stuff. My anime list must be lagging. So it's number 2, it seems. So if I pull number 2, give it a moment there to load. And there you go. Canon indeed pops up. That is the anime I was looking for. You still get your description, your manga, your volumes, your chapters, your genres, and your authors. All the fun stuff. Lastly, from our anime command list is our character feature. There are quite a lot of characters, of course, in anime. So this one, because characters tend to have, they can't have the same name. You may be using character search a lot more, but let's do character by itself, and I'm going to do Mashiro Shina. and that should pull Mashido Shina from one of my other favorite animes whenever it does do its thing. It's rather unfortunate my anime list right now is having issues while I'm making the video, but it's what it is. Boom. Mashido Shina, that is indeed her. Age, birthday, zodiac sign, blood type, description. Okay, and of course the information that's pulled, similar to Mashido Shina, these here, the blood type, age, and all that, will be different based on the characters that you search for. So if I do a character search and do like Sasuke and let it show me the data here, I'll search for Sasuke Uchiha, of course, from Naruto, which would be not in the list, so we're just gonna choose oh wait, no, there is one right here. So number 5 is Sasuke Uchiha. So you'll get age, birthday, ninja registration number, hero scope, blood type, height, weight. But due to how my anime list displays this character, there isn't an actual description. So if I go to his name here, you'll notice that there isn't an actual description, so that's why we're not able to pull it, because they're like talents, and the description itself is part of a different, like, it's kind of dumb, but it's not able to see that because of how they display it on the website, basically. But it's whatever. You still get some information in the hyperlink to his page, so you can view any extra information that we do not provide, thanks to how my anime list works. So those are the 3, well, I guess 6 anime commands that we made pretty recently. Now let's go on to our newest feature, which is our reaction roll. So I'm gonna just get rid of all that stuff there. So reaction roll is a system where a user can react to the message to get the roll that they want. And how it works is you're gonna do react roll, or RR for short, which is what I use. You're gonna tag, so at the roll, we are going to, let's do, just create a new role, I suppose. Test, save, cool. And I'm gonna do RR at test, and then I'm gonna do an emoji, so smile. You'll notice that the test is there, and currently I do not have the role, but you'll notice when I react to the role that I'm given the role right there. And these logs you can add with Icarus, so that's why I'm showing it. But you can see I have the role right there, and if I unreact to it, I do not have the role anymore. And then on top of that, it's not just one role you can do. If I were to do a second test roll, just give it a second. Oops. Okay, well, it's there. And then I do RR at test 2, and then I do frown, for example. You'll notice they'll add it to the thing here. And there you go. I was just having a hiccup there, but it's there. And again, I can react to it. I have the role. And then I can unreact to it. And I lost the role. Now, if you want to delete, like, the, if you want to delete the embeds, or the emojis, I'm sorry, from the message, there is a command for that as well that we created called delete react roll. So if I do del react roll, and then I do frown, it will get rid of it. Same thing if I do delete react roll, and I do smile, it will also get rid of that as well. Once it catches up here, boom, it's gone. And now you notice that the entirety of react roll is gone due to there being no more emojis left, which is awesome. So that's react roll. And lastly, our final command that I'm showing off to you is our coin flip command, because it is the easier one, or the simplest one if you will. Simply heads or tails. Coin flip. Did I typo that? Nope. So heads or tails. Easy peasy. But yeah, guys, that's everything for our newest releases. If there's any other commands that you would like to see to be made with Icarus, you are more than welcome to comment it down below, or join our support server as well, which is in the description. We would really highly appreciate it if you could vote for Icarus. It is free to do, and it does give you access to some commands, of course, that we lock behind voting, such as our NSFW commands. Currently we're at 4 or 5, and it would be really sick if we can get to 1,000, but we'll see. Yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Miyuka, co-owner of Icarus, and I'm signing off. See ya.